Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope you're doing great. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nadia. We are the team behind Rakwat, a product that designed to keeping you refreshed and hydrated every day. With your kind permission, I would like to share a little about Rakwat, our pure and energizing drinking water that's perfect for your daily needs. Thirst won't stop you from moving. It's time to switch to Rakwat, the water that keeps your day fresh, energetic, and full of spirit. With Rakwat, every sip is a promise of natural freshness that keeps you going. Perfect for all your activities, from relaxing at home, working out, to catching big dreams. Not just fresh, Rakwat also keeps your body hydrated, so you are always ready to face any challenge. What is Rakwat? Rakwat is pure, high-quality drinking water, carefully filtered to deliver natural freshness. It's light, refreshing, and free from harmful chemicals, perfect for staying healthy and hydrated. Why choose Rakwat? Keeps your hydrated and energized, affordable and easy to find. Starting at just 500 rupiah, you can get Rakwat at supermarket, mini market, or online store. Rakwat, freshness that stay with you anytime and anywhere. Sip freshness, choose Rakwat. Life too short to stay thirsty. Don't wait, choose Rakwat now. Thank you. Dadah.